In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize text on Visme. Whether you're looking to add a bit of flair to your presentation or simply want to emphasize a particular point, knowing how to italicize text can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to identify and select the text box you wish to edit. To do this, simply click on the text box. You should see it become highlighted, indicating that it's ready for editing. This is your cue that any changes you make will apply to this specific block of text. Selecting the right text box is crucial, especially if you are working on a project with multiple text elements. It's all about selecting the area you want to improve or modify to suit your specific design needs. Now that you have your text box selected, let's turn our attention to the text formatting toolbar. This handy tool is packed with options to enhance your text. Among these options, you'll notice an icon that looks like the letter I. This is the italic icon. According to Visme's formatting guide, by simply clicking on this I icon, you can make your selected text italic. It's as simple as a click of a button, and instantly you'll see your text style change, giving it that slanted, elegant appearance that's often associated with emphasis or style. But what if you find yourself loving the new italic style and want to apply the same formatting to another text box in your project? Visme has thought of that too and offers a super convenient tool called the Copy Style tool. This tool, represented by the paintbrush icon, allows you to effortlessly replicate the style of one text box and apply it to another. Essentially, it's a way to maintain continuity and design consistency across your project, saving you from the hassle of manually applying styles to each piece of text. To use the Copy Style tool, start by selecting the text box with the formatting you want to replicate. Then click on the paintbrush icon in the toolbar. Next, select the new text box where you want the same styling to be applied. With just a couple of clicks, you maintain a uniform style across your design, enhancing both the aesthetics and the professionalism of your work. By the end of this process, you should have achieved a consistent and well-styled document that effectively communicates your message with just the right emphasis. Remember, the key is to keep experimenting with different styles and options until you land on the perfect design for your project's needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering text formatting on Visme.